Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Wonder why or wonder how reset the oil life in this or in your 2019 GMC Acadia. That's how I say it, though. That's how I say it. That's how I'm saying. Alright, never mind. Well, all you gotta do is the car that's running right now. You're gonna see that you play with these guys right here. So you just press arrow to the right, go to vehicle. You're not gonna see that one though. You're gonna see something like that. So you just scroll down or scroll up. If you go up, it's gonna be right there. But I'm saying, if you go down, you're gonna see all these options, and then it's gonna take you to the remaining oil life. So it's right there. It's telling you right here, if you wanna reset it, you just press that. You press it or hold it. Well, let's see. I'm gonna press it and hold it. Usually, you press it and hold it. I'm gonna press it and hold it now. Press it and hold it. It's gonna ask you that. Are you sure that you want to reset it? You press yes and it's gonna reset it, okay? So that's how you reset the oil life in this 2019 GMC Acadia. Alright? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Hit the like button. And please, I need the feedback. So put it in the comment box for me, alright? And I'll catch you in the next one. Holla at you, boy. Have a good day. Take care. See ya. Burung. Astuo. Meow.